Old stones to bold tones, skyline peaks to ground streets, where history lives in heartbeats. Past the towers, old powers, clock faces, time traces, stories written in small places. From big views to river routes, bridges, arches, bold statues, icons don't whisper, they salute. Pop trains, bike lanes, tube lines, bus rides, black cabs, fast tracks, street eats, drum beats, market heat, moving feet. Every culture gets a seat. Global souls, shared goals, mixed tongues, old and young. Many songs, one song. Bright sparks, bold arts, big ideas build careers. Now breathe in green scenes and sunbeams. Park paths, slow laughs, calm in the aftermath. Feel it lift. Crowd swells, sound spells. Long nights shining bright. Joy rides on city tides. The city's set, the scene is lit. Bring your people. This is it. This is London.